is good? What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a nighttime POV again. I got a couple of guys behind me. We're finna go to this park and chill. Since today was a little crazy, since yesterday was a little crazy, my bad. Thought today probably just go to some chill shit and yeah, just record some cool builds for y'all, some cool cars. But I hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll turn the camera back on whenever we get there. It's pretty deep.
Race car charger with a pro charger and a high ram. Hell yeah, brother. That thing sounds crazy.
Cars across Texas. Pretty deep.
I brought up like your shit. And he said, nobody not. People think that hoe not boosted.
What? My car?
Yeah, I said, it's gonna be with my partner with the pro charger. Nigga looked at me and said, oh, that hoe boosted? That hoe boosted.
Oh, Supra. Oh, shit. Yeah? Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I wish I had my tire, bro.
She had full wide body with it.
Yeah, that's, I be seeing bro on IG. You don't be seeing bro car on IG?
Hell no, I heard that shit.
You went with the camo shit?
IG?
He was just at the spot yesterday.
You come here yesterday? Y'all forget I started running
Damn, this bitch tough. Everything. Oh shit. That's insane. Carbon fiber bumper. That's insane. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we got some bad shit in Richmond. Ooh. Big ass beat. This bitch dumb, I ain't gonna lie. On the wheel. That bitch so dumb. $550?
Where is her?
Ooh. Shit.
My bad, brother.
This look like. Oh my, that's a dumb crazy Benz. Super. Tires. That was nasty.
1,500 horsepower?
Maybe. Maybe. That hoe's dumb.
As long as it drives smooth, that's all I care.
Is this your car, boss? No?
No.
This your car?
No.
No? Holy shit. I want to know how much horsepower this bitch pushing.
Average, these Mark 4s, you're looking at anything. I mean, it's not even. You could easily be making over 1,000 horsepower in these.
I was going to say, you got to be range 1,100 and up. Like,
Yeah.
what the
This
hell?
car, the way it is, it's got to be at least 800 to 900 horsepower, if not more, depending on where they have boost. But with the 2JZ GTE can make all the power you want.
Look at this. Appreciate it. Oh, B on that. Cars across Texas?
Where?
He was right in front of us. We about to put in. He right up. Look. At the exit. You want to leave that hoe? You want to leave and get on the cab? Oh!
Oh shit! Oh brother! Oh no!
No!
Did he crash?
I don't know.
Nah, I don't think he hit the curb though. I think he hit
No!
his back.
He macked! No! Damn, nigga, I got frostbite in this hand. I swear.
I got 2 jackets on right now.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this. I like this. V8 though, nigga. V8 though. This bitch, oh, V6. Oh, he did get me. This hoe probably still compressing. I don't know.
Just like capture it off, but you're not, right?
Oh shit, alright. Come back, come back, come back. Two, 3 Lexuses. These the V8. Y'all remember whenever that hoe smoked me? One of them hoes? That color is crazy. Ooh! Hey, hey, hey! That's the color. I think that's the color, bro. That damn, this bitch dumb. This bitch look like Iron Man car.
dragster.
I'll probably end the video here. Hope y'all enjoyed that POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man, so much for all the support. We got on, I don't know if y'all know Cars Across Texas, but I'm gonna put that, hopefully I'll find the clip. But yeah.